Emily Keegan, and I graduated from Taconic in 2020. One of my favorite things about Taconic was that I got to pick which classes I wanted to take, so I was able to pick classes that were interesting to me, and that helped prepare me for college. I was in the Business Academy at Taconic, and it definitely helped prepare me for the courses I now take as a freshman studying business at Bentley University.
My name's Brennan Stannard. I'm a senior at Taconic, and my favorite thing during normal times was going into the school, seeing all my friends in the morning, saying hi to my favorite teachers, and just having a bunch of laughs.
Hi, I'm Kara Partridge. I graduated Taconic in 2013. My favorite part about Taconic was the sports. I played lacrosse, ran cross country, and did cross country skiing, and I also really loved the teachers. Currently, I'm working in Boston as a data analyst, and I'm pursuing my master's in business analytics.
My name's Kaylee. I'm a 2019 graduate of Taconic High School and currently attend Simmons University in Boston, studying social work, public policy studies, and Spanish. But one of the things I'll never forget about Taconic, and one of my favorite things about Taconic, is how dedicated the Taconic teachers, staff, and faculty were to their students' personal and academic success.
Hey guys, my name is Prudy. I graduated from Taconic in 2013. My favorite part about Taconic was the ability to do so many different things. I was a 3-season athlete, and I was part of the spring musical 3 out of my 4 years there. All of the coaches and the music director were super accommodating of my time and my rehearsals and my games. Since graduating, I've moved to Denver, Colorado. I am currently studying for the LSAT so I can apply to law school, and I am training for the Berlin Marathon in Germany.
Hi, my name is Angie. I'm currently a sophomore at Taconic High School, and I wanted to share some of my thoughts and ideas on how I feel about Taconic. When I first started Taconic as a freshman, I was a little bit nervous, but I got comfortable after receiving a positive energy from the teachers, administrators, and guidance counselor. The teachers are very helpful and comforting. The administrators are always good. They're always good listeners, and they definitely will get the job done when it comes to your future and your success. They also offer a wonderful selection of extracurricular activities that goes from mechanics, culinary, childcare, and many more. But they also have a large variety of after-school clubs that they will offer you, which is fun because you'll never be bored. You'll always fit in and feel comfortable with the crowd you're around. I know that since we're not in person right now, it may be hard to find an extracurricular activities. So if you just check in with your guidance counselor, you can just ask her what extra clubs are available on Zoom or on virtual. So that is one thing that I love about Taconic, is that they are really quick with getting back to you about your future and your success at Taconic High School, which is why I feel like you would thrive in Taconic High School. So happy to see you guys and welcome the new students into the building. So that is it from Angie. Bye.
My name is Riley Schulteis, and I graduated Taconic back in 2019. The thing I appreciate most about Taconic is the extent that the teachers and faculty will go through to ensure every student's success and give them the best overall high school experience. To this day, there are still plenty of teachers that I try my best to keep in contact with. These days, I'm living full-time in Rochester, New York, working as a computer hardware technician and going to school at RIT to be a computer engineer.
Hi, my name is Jane Wong, and I'm in the class of 2023. What I like most about Taconic is that there is a large variety of courses to take. Whether it's the vocational program or the academic route, I'm glad that each year I can plan out which classes I want to take based on my own interests.
Hi everyone, my name is Kiana West. I'm a 2014 graduate of Taconic High School. I was incoming from Reed Middle School, and once I got to Taconic, I really enjoyed the track team. I was able to spend time with people who I probably wouldn't have otherwise, and it also made me feel like I was part of something bigger, which was great. I also had a lot of fun joining the quiz team, which allowed us to go to different schools around the county and to do trivia, and we also met a lot of people that way, which was fun. After graduating from Taconic, I went to Williams College for 4 years, where I studied psychology and Africana studies. I now live in Montgomery, Alabama. I work at the Equal Justice Initiative, where I'm able to advance racial justice work by working with different communities around the country to address their local history of racial injustice. I also do criminal justice reform work, and I communicate with people who are in jail or prison and their family members who are looking for legal assistance. So that's a little bit about me. I'm really excited for you and your new journey, and I hope you have a wonderful time at Taconic. Bye.
Hey, I'm Michael Cummings. I'm a part of the class of 2022, and my favorite thing on a normal day at Taconic High School is being able to see my friends throughout the day.
Hi, my name is Connor Saltaire. I am a part of the class of 2022, and my favorite thing about Taconic is participating in different clubs and sports and getting to know new people.
What's going on, everyone? My name is Philip Evans. I graduated in the year 2020. One thing that I really miss about Taconic is everyone there was really close, all of the students and all of the staff. It was regardless of the differences, that it was a big family, and that's something I really miss about being at Taconic. And as of right now, I am going into my second semester at BCC. I'm majoring in psychology. After that, I plan on transferring to a 4-year school to continue psychology, and eventually I want to get into med school so I can become a psychiatrist.
Hi, my name is Will Larkin. Graduated Taconic back in 2009. Went to Boston College after that, and now working in tech sales and software. I think one of my favorite things about going to Taconic was definitely all the great teachers that I got to learn under, just the community in general, the great friends that I made, all of which, I still keep in touch with to this day. So really enjoyed my experience there and definitely recommend it.
Hey, my name is Matt, and I'm a junior at Taconic. Some things I like about Taconic would probably be the staff. All of them are super caring. All of the teachers I've had are super nice, and they want you to succeed in your high school career. I also like the amount of clubs the school has. I'm a part of a lot of clubs, and I enjoy every single one of them. But overall, my past 3 years at Taconic have been the greatest.
My name is Cole Lander. I graduated in 2020. I'm now at Emmanuel College studying pre-law and political science with a minor in Spanish. And I really liked the faculty at Taconic. I felt that there was a very nice and supportive staff, and I made some really good relationships with my teachers.